There was a very famous scholar at that time named Imam Ahmed. After traveling, he was very tired, so he decided to stop by a mosque. He decided to pray in the mosque and then sleep there overnight. Unfortunately, after praying, the owner came to Imam Ahmed and said, "No, no, it's prohibited. You're not allowed to sleep in the mosque." Then a bread maker walked by and said, "Don't trouble him, it's okay. He can come to my home and sleep." The bread maker took Imam Ahmed to his home and Imam Ahmed laid on his bed. But the bread maker wasn't aware that he was Imam Ahmed.
The bread maker began making the dough. While he was making the dough, he read astagfirullah.
Imam Ahmed asked, "Why are you reading astagfirullah every time you mix the dough?"
He replied, "Whenever I read Astaghfirullah, all my du'as come true and my needs get fulfilled."
Then he said he got everything except for one thing. "What is that one thing?" Imam Ahmed replied. Then the bread maker replied, "He didn't get to meet Imam Ahmed. That's the only thing he wanted." "Subhanallah," he replied with joy and said, "He is Imam Ahmed."